What's up? We're back.
In your face.
I'm gonna be reacting to "Used to Be Young" by Miley
Miley
Cyrus.
Forget about being young. She's old, man. Isn't she like 35, 37?
Hence the word "used to."
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Like,
The
forget about
phrase.
being young. Get married, have kids. Oh, mconjwana Nkosi yami.
Uyafuna la masab.
Distwabo.
Truth is bulletproof, there's no fooling you. I don't dress the same. Me and who you say I was yesterday have gone our separate ways. Left my living fast somewhere in the past, cause that's for chasing cars. Turns out open bars lead to both.
Boy, it's so refreshing not hearing all the tune. Yes, yes.
Chasing cars. Turns out open bars lead to broken hearts. I'm going way too far. I know it used to be crazy. I know it used to be fun. You say I used to be wild. I say I used to be young. You tell me time has not changed me. That's fine, I've had a good run. I know I used to be crazy. That's cause I used to be young. Take one, pour it out, it's not worth crying about the things you can't erase.
Yeah, the cinematography, the lights. Where are these lights coming from? This is done in one take.
Possible.
No, it's not possible. They actually did it in one take. I just noticed now. And yeah, Jesus. How many times did she actually cry? How many takes were these?
Nah, man, just get like the right onions and stuff. You're good to go.
No, it's all about timing, motherfucker.
Like tattoos
Yeah,
and
cry.
regrets, words I never meant.
Oh, she's standing on pins. And when she needs to cry, she keeps stepping on them. Like,
Got away. Left my living fast somewhere in the past and took another road. Turns out crowded rooms empty out as soon as somewhere else to go. I know it used to be crazy. I know it used to be fun. You say I used to be wild. I say I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me. That's fine, I've had a good run. I know I used to be crazy. That's cause I used to be young.
Miley Cyrus needs to. Yeah, she actually does have a country album. She needs to make more country music. Like, I remember her Dolly Parton. What is this thing? What is this thing where you remake a song that some cover? Jolene, Jolene. Oh, her voice. Oof, oof.
she has a deep voice.
Yeah. Cigarettes will do that to you.
I'd give her my money if she does. Hey, I don't want no problems. Take it.
Cigarettes will do that.
I know it used to be crazy, messed up, but God, was it fun? I know it used to be wild. That's cause I used to be young. Those wasted nights are not wasted. I remember everyone. I know I used to be crazy. That's cause I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me. That's fine, I've had a good run. I know I used to be crazy. That's cause I used to be young.
You're still pretty though. There was Miley Cyrus. Used
What
to be
happened to
young.
the twerk stuff?
Hmm?
I wonder.
Yeah, she started being cancelled for talking on married men. That's what happened to that. That was an awesome era though. For her,
Mm-hmm.
she was making these bangers. She was making these bangers. Yo, that era. She was doing amazing. Twerk, twerk, twerk. I can't trip. I stay alive.
Please like,
I
subscribe.
came in like a wrecking
And suggest.
ball. Ooh, shit, that was a banger.
Yep, another ball has wrecked. Arr.
Yeah, so that was Miley Cyrus. Used to be young.
Like, suggest, subscribe. We'll watch all the videos that you want us to react to and watch all the videos that we have and see you on the other one. Bam, bam, bye bye.